thinking about the vibrational quality that we're going to be working with later with sound, we will incorporate a feeling of vibration within the breath. And I'd like you to be guided by your breath in the practice. So what the session is about really this evening is tuning in and listening and providing yourself with space and time to really feel what it is that's happening right now. Because yoga is about the now moment, not what's happening later and not what's happened before we arrived. So, let's just sit for a few moments. Today, I'm flying low, and I'm not saying a word. I'm letting all the voodoos of ambition sleep. The world must go on as it must. The bees in the garden rumbling a little, the fish leaping, the gnats getting eaten and so forth. But I'm taking the day off. Quiet as a feather. I hardly move, though really I'm travelling a terrific distance. Stillness.